Hi everyone, my name is Onikedemi Femi, a 100 level physics education student from Lagos State University. Have you ever used a mortar and a pestle to pound a yam, or ever watched someone fetch water from a well using a pulley? Believe it or not, these are all simple machines. In today's lesson, we'll talk about simple machines, tools that makes us do our work more easily and faster. By the end of today's lessons, you should be able to define what a simple machine is, identify different types of simple machines, explain how they makes our work easier, and recognize simple machines in our environment. Now, moving on to the main context. Firstly, what is a simple machine? A simple machine is a tool that makes our work easier. Making our work easier in what sense? In this sense, it makes our work easier by reducing the effort needed to do work. For example, now, when you want to carry a bag of cement, rather instead of you carrying it on your head or on your shoulder, you use a simple machine called wheelbarrow. Just as simple as that. And it also makes our work easier by increasing the distance over which a force is applied. Now, moving on, what are types of simple machine? Number one, a lever. A lever is a rigid bar that pivots on a point called fulcrum. Number two is an inclined plane. What is an inclined plane? An inclined plane is a flat surface that is set at an angle to move heavy load up and down. For this kind of simple machine, it can be commonly used or seen in a market area where a plank is being used to roll down goods into a truck, and this can only be used in a market area for those who wants to carry an heavy load but can't carry it on their head or shoulder. Number three is a pulley. A pulley uses wheels and rope to lift heavy loads. We are used to seeing this simple machine in our environment, but we might not know it's a simple machine. Like a person, you see a person using a rope and a bucket, like a rope tied to a bucket to draw water out of a well. That is a pulley. And a pulley is a simple machine. It is a simple method of drawing water out of a well. Number four is wheel and axle. This machine is used to move load faster, and it can mostly be used in farm and construction sites because it helps move heavier load faster and easier. So now, can you look around your home or school and point out some simple machines you can see? Pause this video now and write them down. I hope you were able to understand all the things I've taught in today's lesson, and you were able to interact with me as I was mentioning and explaining how simple machines are being used in our environment. So let's review. Today you learned that simple machines are tools that helps us work easier and faster with less effort. We talked about the lever, we talked about the inclined plane, we talked about the pulleys, and we also talked about wheel and axle. We also talked about how we use them in our everyday lives, which we all do. Like most of us use simple machines in our everyday lives. You have done an amazing job today. In our next lesson, we'll explore more on compounds, machines, that is what happens when simple machine combine to form a tool like bicycle or sewing machine. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos so as to not miss an update from when I post a video. Until then, see you. Bye.